Hello everybody, what's going on? My name is Bruce Will. What's going on everybody? My name is NASCAR. Um, I've been playing this game a lot now. I think it's time to read this game because I'm starting to enjoy this level of games with Toy Story. I'm ready to get to it in fun with some other shows of Toy Story. I like to play games and get prizes and stuff. So I promised the show would do this certain night what happened or whatever. I don't think I'm making sense. So I may have to bail out for a couple of level of these games. I know there's cards everywhere to enjoy. That I have a feeling that I'm starting to figure out how to do this stuff. On my way to work today, I'm starting to figure out how to get stuff. I love the lake so much, and I love this house so much. I miss my old house, the Lansing house. I would love this blue or white. This house is better. I want to live here when I'm grown up, but I don't think that's not gonna happen because of the internet and I don't care about the internet. I want someone else to work here. I cannot believe I followed. This is a great game actually. And I got two of those cars I wanted to find. Um, this is actually the funnest game. I think you should get it. It's not that. Oh, speaking my words, I keep fine. This is the bestest game I ever played in my life. That is either Dr. Ketchup, and I am starting to figure out how to do this. It's inspected 2012. I haven't hard trouble doing it. I need to risk my phone again. And I just got some, I don't know what it is. I don't need to get those coins in the game. It took me like 5 tries to get them. I always need to try to figure out where it goes in this train. I'm pulling 15-minute clips of this, but I I don't know what happened there. I was trying to reach for the coin, but I remember I can't even get those coins anymore. I can't even see anything of this game. I just picked up a piano card. Oh, I forgot to jump. The most hard about this game, I need to jump. Yeah, you see I can't aim it for this coin. You know what? It's just one coin. But let me try this again. I know I'm kind of aiming it for the coin. After 4th of July, after a few days off from my work, yeah, I knew it. After after 4th of July, I'm gonna put Toy Story 3 game. I'm gonna do 4 hours of the second part, and I'm gonna put it in I'm putting about 8 hours of this game. I don't know how many hours will limit of the iterating the progress. Shit, I forgot there's more coins here. I think that was it, so that's great news. I'm putting this cover at the beginning. I need to look at my other Toy Story 15 videos on my Xbox 360. It's from 2010. I'm pretty sure they have favorable games. Oh, this is not the game that rewards. I remember 80 Toy Story games or DVDs or scratches for me before I got this reward. I think there's another version of this game somewhere to extra stuff you can do. but most of this stuff you can handle it. I'm putting most of these into clips, but I'm gonna do some animations of this stuff. I don't recall, I remember any of this parts of this game, but I know this is the funnest game I can try to beat. I can remember how much I used to play with it, so after the train rescue I'm gonna put into that will be done. I know there's talking in this game, so I promise to be quiet, like I said. I don't remember how to do that stuff, so, I'm trying nice and study it. Just push X, okay. Yeah, you probably need help in this game, because most of these games and missions are hard. I don't know why, but I remember how much I used to love playing Toy Story when I was a kid, and come on, Woody, get up there. Come on, just get the coin. I don't need this frustrating. I was a baby. I was sort of 11-year-old. I was wearing like a Spider-Man costume. I used to go out trick-or-treating, and some weird girl came up to me, and she wanted to have some of my candy, so I took some of hers and took some of my heads. Because I remember my Uncle Matt was there, and I remember that I used to go trick-or-treating with Uncle Matt, and I remember that we used to go to trick-or-treat at my mom's house, so they don't even pass that candy, this year. I remember that I know I had to get all those prices and coins or something. I remember they all that I have a way to find them. I remember there's one right here. In fact, I just got that right. Oh no, not these aliens. I want to pick them up or something. I can smash this. Okay, I don't know what this is. Okay, I got a townsperson. Oh, with this shell off. Awesome. Oh god, there's another one. Jeez, a piece. Let's smash some of this. Oh yeah, I need to. Jeez, Sandy, you are showing poppies, huh? Come on, can you move? I'm gonna. You got to pick him up, something? Oh jeez, hit him. Oh, come on, jump already. Jeez, a Warlords. Let me pick him up. Get off the train. You're gone. You're bad. I love this town. It's nice. I want to live here someday, but it's too expensive. I talked to my grandma and it could be a lot of prices. Let me just break down the door. I don't know if I was aiming for a second. Oh gosh. I forgot about these things. Now this is the hardest level. I couldn't beat it. I thought I was gonna skip through these lineup, but I remember some of the parts of this game. I know I can hit these cows in this person right here, so let me just smash some of these. Let me just put them right here. Let me just get a cow. I know I can hit 2 cows already, so I'm gonna try 3. So I forgot which, come on, lady, pick him up. Just pick up the cow. Just pick up the cow. That would be great. And, put him right here. Let's do another one. I know most of you guys don't know, but when you hit a cow, you can get a card. I don't know why you can hit these innocent cows. Let's do one more just in case. I think there's 2, but I forgot how. I don't remember how to use this mission. Come on, pick him up. It's up. Okay, that's great. You can also do a lot of good stuff in this game. You can do it your own ways. You can skip this route and go straight to where you spawn up. But the way I want to work with this game, because I have no attack. I'm gonna Did I jump? Yeah, see card right here. Oh, there's even a special card. See guys, I'm not dumb when I look. Okay. Now I'm gonna do there will be Toy Story Faking. There will be 10 full 8 hours. 10. Okay, who just hit me? I should shut up. I should be quiet. Now this is gonna take 4 hours up to 600 house. So I'm gonna do some different ways. I'm gonna make some. Oh God. Oh. Come on. Hit him. Shoot. You can also break this too. Let me do try him. Let me take care of him. Oh, dang. Now let me just. Oh, I don't want to fall off the train. Oh my God, I can't go backwards. I'm gonna start over again. Oh, I think I got everything. I have to open this or something? Alright, I'm gonna do something. I don't need to open this up or something. Come on, get out of here. Nice. Now let me just go over here. Alright. I'm not gonna get any pies, so keep up here all of that. I'm gonna pass out anyway, so it's okay, I'm still in the beginning anyway. Cause we're in the same spot like before. Thanks, Buzz. I'm mission with police. I'm not gonna get the prize, so oh shit! Oh man, that was close. Yeah, see guys, no prize, so that sucks. Don't know why I don't get no prizes in this game. Oh my gosh. No, I just fell off the train. Where you go, Mr. Ball? Where you go, Mr. NASCAR? Get out of here, get out of here. Oh my God, get out of here right now. You go, just go. last one. Oh, sweet. That's just sweet. Come on, hit him. Come on, get out of here, Shoot this quickly. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, go. No. Come on, him. Oh my god, no. Come on. Oh, let's shoot this guy first. Oh, that's nice. Get out of here, man. Oh, come on, him. I'm gonna skip those. I'm not fishing in this stupid game. Stupid level. I wanna see stupid rounds to do. Come on. Hit him. Hit him. Okay. Okay, now I'm doing pretty good at this game. Alright. Just hit him. Come on, hit him, go. Just hit it. Come on, hit him. Yeah, hit the enemy as well. That's awesome. Nice. Mission complete.
And so the evil Dr. Porkchop was defeated, and the orphan train made it safely to its destination.
Wait a sec. You had a giant big ship and a fleet of attack drones, and you lost to a cowboy on a horse?
The iPad severely hampered my depth perception.
Oh, right. Blame the iPad.
Anyway, back to the game board.
Which, if I can say, is seriously impressive. I cannot believe
Nice.
Yeah, well, I wanted to create a map that featured all of the significant landmarks we encountered on our exciting journey here.
Hey, what's next? Should we go to Andy's house?
Watch it, Rex. Just knocked Al's toy barn into the pond.
Oh, sorry.
I love Rex. Everyone loves Rex.
Set the whole town.
Pardon me. What's this area again?
Hey, good eye, my prickly friend. That is a special part of the game called Woody's Roundup. And you can roam free, upholding justice as a sheriff in the Old West.
Go there? Really? Let's go.
Only if a certain lizard brain promises not to stop at the smithereens.
I probably won't. I promise.
And there we go, another mission complete. So next episode we're going to Woody's Roundup. So I kept you guys in the preview side, and it's been 20 minutes.